Hi everyone, my name is Rosa and I'm a Youth Services Librarian with the Vaughan Public Libraries. I might look familiar to some of you as I run the Born to Read and Reading Buddies programs at the Dufferin Clark Public Library branch. In the last video you saw me, I showed you an activity that inflated a balloon on top of a bottle. Today I'm going to show you an activity that inverts a balloon inside a bottle. I learned this activity from a website called A Dab of Glue, which will be linked down below. The materials you're going to need for this activity are about 1/4 cup of boiling water, a glass jar, preferably one with a bit of a longer neck, and one balloon. So working fairly quickly but carefully, I'm going to pour about 1/4 cup of boiling water into the glass jar. And I'm going to cover the top of the bottle with the balloon. So I'm going to stretch the balloon over the top. And then try to make sure that the balloon is centered and is not sticking together. And now you're just going to sit and wait and watch while the magic happens. So using 1/4 cup of boiling water, this activity took me about 30 minutes to complete. Since this is a lengthy bit of time, I fast forwarded through this portion of the clip, but you will see that the end of the balloons should slowly be pulled into the glass bottle on its own. Within the first 30 seconds of the activity, the balloon should start moving on its own and eventually invert completely into the bottle and continue to expand inside. This should take several minutes to half an hour like mine did. I would suggest to use maybe a little bit less of the 1/4 cup of boiling water that I used, but do have patience because the balloon will eventually get sucked into the bottle on its own, and it's really cool to watch. This is an excellent activity that visually demonstrates air pressure. The water vapor or steam from the boiling water that we poured into the bottle pushed the air up and out of the bottle. As the bottle cooled, with the balloon stretched over and covering the opening, the water vapor condensed and turned back into liquid water. Since the pressure is higher on the outside, air rushed into the bottle, taking the balloon back in with it, hence the inverted balloon. The more the bottle cooled, the more air rushed inside, expanding the balloon inside of the bottle. Thank you for stopping by and watching. If you like our videos, please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget that we would love to feature your videos or photos doing our activities at home. Please post your photos or videos on social media using the hashtag VPL at home. Until next time, please stay safe and goodbye.